There also seemed to be, a celebration of violence. I think you said that beauty and blood went hand in hand for the Aztec. Maybe like the Roman Empire. Was it they just had maybe a different relationship with what violence, where that stood in the purpose of life, purpose of existence? Is that fair to say?
I would hypothesize so. I mean, I think it's one of the wonderful things about studying these ancient cultures, knowing what our human capacity is. And the Aztecs, when I said that statement, what I what I meant by that is they were absolutely comfortable with human sacrifice and ripping people's hearts out.
Yeah.
They had this just you know grotesque, violent bent, but in the same way, they also absolutely loved flower gardens and poetry and music and dance. The same Aztec king who would order the hearts of 1,000 people extracted also would stand up at dinner parties to recite his own poetry or the poetry of famous statesmen that had come before him. And they spent money on things like flower gardens.
Mhm.
All of the causeways leading to the Aztec capital had beautiful flower gardens, and they had a museum, and they had an aquarium and a zoo, and they had an opera, and they had a ballet,
Yeah.
and these things existed together. There was not in the Aztec mind any conflict between witnessing someone's heart getting ripped out one moment, in the evening we'd go to the ballet.